Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Capucins, a peaceful village nestled along the shores of the Baie des Capucins, in Quebec's Gaspé Peninsula. As we drive through, you'll see a place where nature and history come together in a special way. Capucins was founded in 1915 and became part of the town of Cap in 2000. The village got its name from two rocks that once stood by the shore, shaped like Capuchin monks in their robes. Though those rocks are gone now, one taken by the sea, the other used to build a dock, they left behind a name and a story that still live on. This area is known for its salt marshes and the Baie des Capucins, which is home to many plants, mollusks, and amphibians. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. There are walking trails where you can see the local wildlife and take in the calm surroundings. People here have long made their living from the sea and the land. Fishing, farming, and working in nearby towns like Cap and Saint-Anne-des-Monts are common. There's also a center where visitors can learn about the salt marsh and a spot for camping and picnics. As we continue our drive, take a moment to enjoy the natural beauty and quiet charm of Capucins. It's a small village with a big heart, where the stories of the past meet the peacefulness of today.
Thanks for watching!